So in a nutshell mo pagkasulti kung ang imong naka hardware wallet nga yung ani, ang imo ang which is mo na ikaduha no nga schooling, crypto schooling ang ipainomdom no is naa dito or should I say naa dinhi which is naka-save ang imuhang kadtong imuhang pinaka-password or should I say imong pinaka-seed words or seed phrase which is mapunay atong ipakita sa atong ikaduha, right? So again guys, dapat I would encourage everyone na to have a hardware wallet, right? So again, kung hardcore ka, no, who is in crypto, hardcore, meaning seryoso ka on this one, kumbaga, have a hardware wallet. Now, kung kumbaga nagsugod pa lang ka or cannot afford to this one, then you could have a should I say a hot wallet. Kung makadungong mo og hot wallet, right? Kini siya this example by the way of a cold wallet. Nganong cold man kay kini siya is wala naka-save ang imong seed words diha sa imong laptop or cellphone but naka-save ang imong pinaka-password / seed words dinhi. So nasa hardware wallet naka-save. Wala didto sa imuhang cellphone, right? So mo na angay natong masabtan on this one. Kung hardcore ka, have a hardware wallet. So mo na part sa atong schooling kung hardcore ka. Now, kung dili po ka nagsugod pa lang ka or wala pa budget on this one, you could start no diha sa atong ZKX wallet nga mag-open na pod or internet money wallet or Pulse wallet. But remember, naka-save ang imong seed words. Muning kog seed words or passphrase pareho na guys. Now, muning kog seed words or passphrase or password. Kanang password how na lang nang term para kumbaga dali ta masabtan. But ang exact term is seed words or seed phrases, no? So, kada siya is very important na atong angay masabtan, right? So again, I am planning da sa atong crypto community nga ahaw ni siyang ipag-giveaways karong December pohon, right? So this is an example of a hardware wallet. So that is the lesson number 1 of a hardware wallet. It is a must kung hardcore ka. Wala pa, then have a hot wallet, right? Internet money wallet, right? So ato lang ahaw na ning i-post, no?